What's going on, guys? Fuller here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and we're going to tell you about our top 5 features of the BDS 6-inch kit for 14 to 18 GM 1500 truck. So the number one thing we like about this kit, as well as all the other kits that BDS offers, is the no fine print warranty that comes with all these kits. So BDS kind of says use it and abuse it, and they stand behind their product, which is something really cool from these guys. Number 2 then, so instead of using your typical lift strut, this kit uses the 6-inch coilover for the lift. And these coilovers are upgraded even more so than the standard ones. So these are remote reservoir Fox 2.5 coilovers with the DSC. DSC stands for dual speed compression. So these things will definitely give a nice ride on and off road. Number 3, this kit has also been upgraded with recoil traction bars. BDS is one of the only kits out there, or only manufacturers out there that offers these particular ones. So these are a floating traction bar. So basically there's a spring in there that keeps your suspension working properly, so you don't have anything pulling or pushing in the wrong direction when you're, like I said before, either on or off road. Number 4, rather than just a spacer in the back that everybody always complains about, this kit is using a complete replacement leaf pack. So again, just a better ride quality overall when you go with this upgrade from BDS. Lastly, the thing that we love about BDS kits, this one in particular, as well as all of the BDS kits on the market, they have an extremely good finish, both on the gloss powder coated surfaces as well as the rough textured surfaces on their skid plates and everything else. If you want to get your truck lifted, head out to customoffsets.com/lifts to check out all the different lift kits that we offer.